Hello! Today we will learn how to execute an SQL query. In the process, I will show you this example in a lunchtime application. The lunchtime application is extremely simple application where we basically order meals between the staff members. And if I go into the process of ordering, it's just a dish choice. People choose what they want, then the person who started this goes to checkout, delivery, payments, and when it's all delivered, just sends the notification in Teams and by email to all employee ordering. Well, what's important is that imagine big organization like having, for example, 1,000 users and many different teams ordering. So possibly in a day we can create 100, 150, 300 documents like this one in the system creating orders. We don't really need all these documents inside of the system, so we can delete them. And I just want to quickly show you this action of using an SQL query to manage the documents we have in a system or manage the system itself. So to show you how it works, is the best to trial a new copy. Yeah, so I created a copy of the process. This is my working process testing new features, and in this process I will add one extra step in here, right, and I will call it delete document, and an activity type. This is the one I want to tell you today about, is execute SQL. Now if I do this one, then in activity settings the only thing I really need to do is to enter the SQL query. Now it is a pure low-code solution, so you need to know how to write these SQL queries. You need to know how to use server systems, server managing systems to actually check these codes, check your database, to be able to know what the tables are there, how to create the code, and so on. However, my purpose in here is just to show you that we have this action and how to use it. So what I'm gonna do in here, I will just paste the very little simple query when I do update this document lists, and I will set that it is deleted for the document where we have an order form ID. So if we use ID of this document, what we want to happen is at the end of the process, the document it's being created is go on, but when it's all delivered and finished, we just want this to be deleted from the database. So I press save now, and you can see we have this end step in here. So I will test it now. So I only need to do is go to dashboard, and in the dashboard I will change the button in here for different process to start. It's not in here, it's actually in the widget. So in here there is a button to be set and automatically run the process of a copy, right? So I press save now, and let's see how it works. So I press new order, restaurant Dongdo, let's say like this, and someone, maybe Jason, is ordering chicken fetch, and we press save, and then we do order. As you can see in a workflow, we are somewhere here now, going to delivery and notification in Teams after, and the document should be deleted. So if I go now into orders list, you can see that in here, right, this is this new order, number 051, and I will now confirm payment and confirm delivery, and the system tells me that there is something wrong because we've deleted the document. So this is actually a good information, because if I now into list of orders, as you can see in the page 3, I don't have this document in the end. But the wise thing would be to actually delay this process a bit. So if I go back to this diagram, I believe this would be better if I will just add one wait action, where we wait for the time of 24 hours, right? So in this case, nothing like the screen something went wrong appears. It's just that yesterday's food order doesn't make any difference if we have it or not in a system today. So let's cancel it and then clean up our system from the not important documents with this simple SQL query. But the main important thing is for you to remember that if you are a low-code enthusiast and you know how to write SQL queries, then you can put here really complicated queries to actually do something important in your system, something you would like to happen. And this is exactly the low-code action we have created for you. Thank you very much for watching. Check our tutorials we have. Thank you.